Hey guys, I know I haven't made a video in a while, but thank you for clicking this if you love me, okay? Well, today we're going to do a video about microwaving an object, alright? So we're going to microwave some crackers. You know what? I'll just make it better. Make it these, alright? Here, how long do you think I should do this for? First 30 minutes, nothing, just like see here. Shit, got the knob on. Alright. I have no idea what's gonna happen, so this is kind of weird. I don't know if it's gonna explode, pop, sizzle, flop, I don't know. Wow. Just so you guys know, the packaging is swelling up. It used to be a little saggy on it, but now it's like just about to burst. So let's get ready for that. Now it's turning over on its side. Okay, it's like a now. Full of and about to bust. No idea what's gonna happen. Come on, do something. It smells really good. It smells like peanut butter or something. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. Oh, now it smells like burnt stuff. Oh god, it smells terrible now. Oh, it's smoking. One second. Alright, so it is smoking pretty bad. Oh my god. Alright, I'm taking it out now. I'm gonna freaking die. Jesus Christ. Look at all the fucking smoke. Holy shit. Well. That is what happens when you microwave. Oh, what are these called? Sandwich crackers. That's, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. More of these microwave episodes coming, and, you know, some gameplay coming up soon, too. I think, that's about it today. Bye.